Woodford Brothers. Fixing your basement, whatever the challenge, I'd like to make a little equals there. How about fix your basement equals right now? How about, yes, they're an essential business. Yes, they can do what they need to do to serve you, obeying all the social distancing, all the COVID rules, of course. What do they do? Well, if your basement has a smell like a mustiness, that's more often than not because of undue moisture. They can get rid of that. And that smell, that moldy, mildewy kind of smell, do you know that even if you can't smell it, approximately half of the air upstairs in your home comes through the basement, carrying whatever is down there up with it? That may not be what you're looking for. You might have a problem with, the wall is cracked or beginning to bow, or maybe your basement is unfinished and you'd like to turn that into usable space. They take care of all those things. 1-844-402-3535. Easy to remember website. And again, I urge you to go to the website, make the call, and say, tell me now what you can do. Present before them your problem. And listen, you want them to come look at your basement? That's great. You stay upstairs. Or you be not home. Whatever you're comfortable with. They again, we're all watching the COVID like crazy. Nobody more so than Woodford Brothers. They will do their job, look at what needs to be looked at, tell you all about it via phone. You don't even have to meet with them, right? BasementBrothersRadio.com for Woodford Brothers.